Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and I know it's only been a week since my last video, but I feel like so much has already happened. First of all, I got my first dose of the vaccine, and then secondly, I'm still in the creative process, the end of the creative process of dropping my baby tees, and I've had so many packages delivered to my place, I almost feel guilty. Because this package here is from the Unfashionable on Depop, and it's been sitting in my room for 3 weeks. So I was just like, Danielle, you need to jump on it and start unboxing stuff. So that is what we are doing today. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna show you through the Unfashionable's Depop, kind of get a vibe for their style, and then we'll get unboxing. So let's go. So let's click into the first thing that catches my eye, which is this sweater here. Love how color blocked it is. And it does seem to fit a bit more cropped. And the price is 32 bucks, which again is gonna be pretty common on Depop. The second thing that I just absolutely love is this very fuzzy feather strap tank. Oh, I think this is so freaking cute. I also see a listing for style bundles, but we'll go back to that in a second. Let's keep looking at the clothes and kind of get a vibe of what kind of style she's got. Let's click into this one because I think this is so freaking cute. What is it? A vintage knitted cardigan. Absolutely love that. Love the floral details to it. And then I'm seeing a little corset here, so let's go ahead and click into that one. And it says cheetah print corset, has the lace detailing, a few little bows on it, super cute. And that one's going for 35. But for the most part, I do see more 90s, Y2K, and hints of vintage for sure. I do want to know more about the style bundles that she offers, so let's click into that real quick. And it looks like she does a style bundle for 80 bucks. It does include one full outfit and accessories, not including shoes. Totally feel that. Shoes are so tricky, especially when they are thrifted. I swear, I feel like every thrifted pair of shoes that I have broken or fallen apart within like a week of having them. So totally understand why some sellers won't include shoes. And then all she asks for is measurements, the style theme that you want, details about the types of clothing that you like and dislike, your style icon, and Insta handle to take a peek, and then silver or gold jewelry. I'm super freaking excited, so let's get to unboxing this now. It's been a long 3 weeks. I'm so ready to open this up. I did mention that I was into 90s Y2K fashion. She also asked what you don't want or what you're like not very interested in, and so I said like pretty much like true vintage. Well, okay, I don't think that makes sense. So anything before the 90s I'm kind of not into right now. But something I always make a note about is that I'm super open-minded. I think it's super fun to just experiment with different styles. And I feel like when you do purchase mystery bundles, you should be going into it with an open mind anyways. But let's see. Okay, so immediately, it's literally in another box. Kind of reminds me of like, ooh, a cake. So cute. So that's the bottom of the box. Now we've got another little box here, and then more tape. She really secured this. Okay, I'll give you guys the first little peek. Ooh, I'm seeing color. Some polka dots. I am seeing some leopard, some animal print. Ooh, okay, let's get started. The first thing I see is these notes. Look at how freaking cute. It's a little thank you card that says the Unfashionable on one side, and then a little thank you message on the other. And it looks like her name is Jacqueline. Everywhere on the box it just said the Unfashionable. So I was like, what the heck is her name? Jacqueline, thank you so much. And then she did send over a little note. You guys, Jacqueline is coming through with a discount code for you guys. So if you want to purchase anything from her shop, she's giving you 20% off if you just use the code Eggie. I'll put it right here on the screen and down below in the description box, of course. Yay, thank you so much, Jacqueline. So let's get unboxing now. The first piece that I see, I absolutely love. Is this like a pocket square? What the heck? Okay, super cute. It's just black and it has this like very purple, pinkish print. And I do see the fiber content that says 100% silk. Honestly, I have no idea what to do with this. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments down below. But this is freaking cute, love it. Next up, I did see a few accessories. We have some scrunchies. Yes, I love scrunchies. I currently have one on my bed right now. But now that my hair is getting so freaking long, I always am in need of hair ties because somehow they mysteriously just go freaking missing. And then she included some leopard sunglasses. Oh yeah, I'm totally here for them. And they have a little cat eye, which works perfectly because my face is so freaking round. And so most of the time glasses don't look good, but yes, I love this. So freaking cute. Next up, I'm really excited about this one because it's a little bit of leopard. It's by the brand Meow Jeans. You guys, I love this. It's a full-on leopard print button-up shirt, and it just has a spread collar, long sleeves, but the best part really is just the texture of it. It's velvet. Oh my goodness, I love this. But also tops like this are so easy to style, and they're such a good little statement piece. So black bottoms, some boots, or some cute heels with a mini skirt. Honestly, the outfits are pretty much endless. I am seeing a little pastel colored piece that is perfect for the spring right now. I am looking to incorporate a bit more color into my wardrobe. And what is it? A sweater. And it seems like it's gonna be a bit more fitted too, so I absolutely love that. And then this is the brand Ricky. You know, I'm so bad with it, but I think based off the tag, it does look pretty vintage. But look at those freaking colors. It just reminds me of Easter. Oh, I love that. Now we've got the last piece of the box there, but so far I like that we've had like a very tactile piece, you know, difference of colors and prints, and this one looks like it's just a solid black. And then I see a zip too. Oh my gosh, dual zip closures with O-rings. How freaking cute. And this is the brand Odds and Evens. Never heard that, but does that look kind of 90s vintage? Super cool, but let's see. It looks like it has a banded waist. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. Do you guys see how the seam goes into a V? So freaking cool. Full black, so super versatile and very easy to style. And then it comes into a flare leg. Oh my goodness, I really hope these fit. I think they will. They look pretty nice. Guys, let's get everything tried on now. Here we have fit number 1, and I'm loving this. I think it's still very alternative, very feminine at the same time. Is it a little bit of overkill with the leopard? Maybe just a little bit, but you know what? I'm here for it. I think it's super cute. I don't usually gravitate towards button-up tops, so I wanted to do something different than, you know, just wearing it buttoned up with like pants or something pretty basic. So I recently thrifted this little slip here, so I wanted to go ahead and flaunt it for today's video. And yes, I'm kind of into it. I definitely see this shirt staying in my wardrobe and just kind of entering my rotation of pieces that I wear already, so really like it. Let's move on to our second outfit. Here's the next fit. Not gonna lie, I already had my tights and my demonias on, so I kind of just left them on thinking, oh, it's not gonna really look good, but y'all, I'm kind of into this. I think like it's a really good juxtaposition between the very light pastels and then boom, alternative grunge, you know? I'm kind of into it. But it's all about this little sweater here, and I really like it. It's very opposite of, you know, the trend that we're seeing right now where things are super oversized. This is definitely a little bit more fitted. I also feel very preppy because of the argyle print, but it's my first argyle sweater, so I'm really into it, and I love that it did step me out of my comfort zone, and I am playing with a lot more color because y'all know I've kind of been more in the realm of like black and red. So yes, glad we're playing with color again. Really like this. Let's move on to our last outfit. These pants kind of remind me of a pair of trousers I got from Ruby Lynn's mystery bundle, only these fit a lot better. They are longer in length, so the inseam actually fits me instead of looking like high waters. And look at this, y'all. The thighs are in there, the stomach is in there, the butt is in there too, so really happy that they fit me pretty well. I also feel like these type of pants are a little tricky as far as like styling, because usually my mind goes to, oh, it looks so much like office wear. The little zip details and the O-rings really does make it look trendy, along with this like yoke detail that comes down into a V. And then just tossing in these platforms, this little unif top for a very flirty, sporty type look. But yeah, I'm into it. But you guys, that pretty much does it for unboxing a bundle from the Unfashionable. If you liked any of the pieces, let me know in the comments down below. I honestly loved all the freaking pieces. I'm a little iffy about the pocket square just because I don't know how to style it. My sister tends to wear them around her neck and she looks freaking cute, so I might take a little bit of inspo, but we'll see how well it works out with my style. A huge thank you to Jacqueline as well for putting together this mystery bundle. All the pieces were so well curated to my styles actually. And don't forget, y'all, she is coming through with a 20% discount code for y'all if you just use Eggies. You can save a few dollars on any of her items and her mystery bundles on Depop. So I'll put all her social media here and then also down in the description. But y'all, as always, I post videos at least once a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!